exponential equation, how we can calculate the value of x. So for exponent of x minus 4 is equal to 4 minus x. How we can determine the value of x is unknown. So in this type of question, first of all, we can eliminate this left hand side term. So we can write according to the rule 4 exponent of x and 4 exponent of minus 4 is equal to 4 minus x. According to these rules, we can eliminate these terms x m plus n x exponent of m dot x exponent of n. In case of multiplication, we add the power, but here is minus, so we add their power, so we get the same result. Now we try to finish this result. 4 exponent of minus 4, 4 exponent of 4 and 4 exponent of minus 4, dividing both sides by 4 exponent of minus 4, 4 minus x divided by 4 exponent of minus 4. So this is cancelled, so we get in here 4 exponent of x is equal to 4 minus x, and this is transferred to the upside, so their sign is also changed. And according to these rules, 1 divided by x exponent of m is equal to x exponent of minus m. So the question is in here, in the denominator is in this form, so we can change in the form of this one. So now similarly we are dividing, we try to finish this term, dividing both sides by 4x, 4 exponent of x, 4 exponent of x is equal to 4 minus x, 4 exponent of 4 divided by 4 exponent of x, both are cancelled in here, we get in here 1. So we get 1 is equal to 4 minus x. When the bases are same, so we subtract their power, and also 4 exponent of 4 and 4 exponent of minus x. Now further simplify 4 minus x when the bases are same, so we add their powers, 4 into 4 minus x. Now according to the logarithm rules, we have this rules, e exponent of log of a is equal to a. So similarly we try to change this terms to in the log of 4, we can write the answer is 4. In the place of 4, we put e exponent of log of 4. 1 is equal to 4 minus x, and e exponent of log of 4 and whole exponent of 4 minus x. Now according to the we can multiply these two terms in here. 1 is equal to 4 minus x into e exponent of log of 4 into 4 minus x. Means that here we are trying to make a W Lombard function. Here log of 4 is equal to multiplying both sides by log of 4, multiplying both sides by log of 4, multiplying both sides by log of 4. So 1 log of 4 into 1 is equal to log of 4 minus x, e exponent of log of 4 and 4 minus x. Now we get in here log of 4 is equal to log of 4 minus x, e exponent of log of 4 and 4 minus x. Now we can use the W Lombard function. We know that W Lombard function e exponent of a is equal to a. Now we consider this term is a, this is consider, but here actually and here log of 4 is also required. Log of 4 we are taking in here log of 4, this will be log of 4. So and this is also a, according to the W Lombard function. Now we are taking W Lombard function, log of 4 is equal to log of 4 and 4 minus x into into e exponent of log of 4 and 4 minus x. Now according to the rule of Olympiad function, we get this is the value of a and this is also the value of a, so we get log of 4 into 4 minus x. Now we try to finish log of 4, dividing both sides by log of 4. Log of 4 is divide on both sides, log of 4 into 4 minus x divided by log of 4. This log of 4 are cancelled, so 4 minus x is remaining. W log of 4 divided by log of 4 is equal to 4 minus x. Now we x transfer to the left side, there's an transfer in here, so 4 and this is minus W log of 4 divided by log of 4. So this is the solution of this question. Further we can simplify by using the calculator. This is the value of x. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more.